Now, another situation that's very frustrating for homeowners and does require a little bit of drywall repair from time to time is when a towel rod pulls off of a wall.
Most often this happens because the bar was never attached to the studs behind the drywall, just the drywall itself. Though they're not intended to support a lot of weight, towel bars do wind up getting tugged on a bit, so that if they aren't located over studs, the best solution to repair them properly is to use a toggle bolt. This odd-looking piece of hardware is ideal for this kind of situation because it spreads out the load you're supporting over several inches of drywall. First, you insert the bolt into whatever it is you're mounting, then thread on the toggle itself. You'll want to squeeze the spring-loaded wings to the closed position so that you can feed it into the wall. In some cases, you may have to open up the hole in the drywall a bit to accommodate the toggle, but once the bolt goes through the wall, the toggle spreads out on the back side, anchoring the bolt in the drywall. At first, a little outward pressure is required from the front side to keep the toggle tight against the wall, but once the bolt is tightened up, it's strong enough to secure a towel bar or almost anything else you need to mount on a wall.
This type of repair also works real well for a toilet paper holder or, say, a curtain rod that's pulled out of the drywall.